Okay, in this one, we're going to be practicing writing logarithm of ln of 6. So a natural log of 6 into an either ln of 2 or ln of 3. Now, first thing we need to see is that this is 2 times 3. 6 is 2 times 3. And what does that mean? There's our product property. So ln of 2 plus ln of 3. And that would be our correct answer right there. Okay? And then ln of 2 divided by 27. Now this is going to also be equal to ln of 2 minus ln of 27. But we're not done yet because this is not a power of 3 yet. So we need to change it. Ln of 2 minus ln of 3 to the 3. And that 3 will go in the front, so because of the power property. So we'll get minus 3 ln of 3. Okay? So that is how we do that one. Now we're going to write exact value of the next one. So we did part 3, let's do part 4, and then we'll go into rewriting, expanding logarithms. Okay. Log base 5 of cube root of 5. Now first thing first, we need to turn this into power. So we're going to turn this into log base 5 of 5 to the 1/3. Now if you see that, we actually know our answer immediately because the 5 and the log of 5 are going to cancel. But we can rewrite this. And so we get log base 5 of 5. Now these two cancel, that becomes 1, so our answer is 1/3. Okay, and then log, not log, ln of e to the 6 minus ln of e to the 2. Now we can actually combine this, so we get ln of e to the 6 divided by e to the 4, so e to the 2. And if you simplify this inside, because ln of e to the 4. So if you have e to the 4, the 4 will go in front, so you get 4 ln of e, which our answer then is 4. Okay? That is how we solve those. So let's go to rewriting logarithms, expanding and contracting. Now expanding it is just writing it using the properties. You're going to expand the question. So our first example, example 5, log is 4 of 5x cubed y. Now the key here is this is product, so we're just going to rewrite this as log base 4 of 5 plus log base 4 of x cubed plus log base 4 of y. Now do we need to change bases here? No, you don't need to change bases, okay? But this isn't done yet, right? There's still 3. So the 3 will go in front, so you'll end up with log base 4 of 5 plus 3 log base 4 of x plus log base 4 of y. So notice that it is expanded. It's more things than what our original. And there's a reason to do this. Primary reason is that when we have to solve questions where we need to do something to the inside of a logarithm, and you can't do it without the properties. So first things first, we're going to break this apart. This is still expanding, so we're going to get square root of 3x minus 5 minus log of 7. Okay, this one is actually a power. Sorry about that. So we're going to get log of 3x minus 5 to the 1/2. So remember, square roots are 1/2 power. And then this 1/2 will go to the front, and that will be our final answer. So 1/2 log of 3x minus 5 minus log base 7. Sorry about that. It's gonna goes off the page. So I'll just rewrite up here. So our final answer is 1/2 log of 3x minus 5 minus log of 7. Now notice this is in parentheses and it stays there. It doesn't break up anymore. Because this is a unique statement. Okay, it's not something we can use our properties with. Okay? And contracting. Let's go to some contracting ones. So our first one is up here, 1/2 log of x plus 3 log of x plus 1. Now first things first, let's put our powers. We're contracting it, or condensing. So condensing, we're going to get log of the square root of x plus log of x plus 1 to the third, okay? And then because it's plus, that means multiplication. So we're going to get log square root of x times x plus 1 cubed. And in this case, that would be our final answer. So let's put parentheses there. Okay, let's look at the next one. 2 ln of x plus 2 minus ln of x. Now remember, the 2 goes first because it's in front. So we're condensing it. So we get ln, not log. So ln of x plus 2 squared minus ln of x. Now since it's subtraction, that means we're actually going to combine it and do division, which means x plus 2 squared over x. So it's ln of this. Okay? And finally, the statement we have in this one. We have 1/3 on the outside, log base 2 of x plus log base 2 of x plus 1. So first thing is, this is addition, which becomes multiplication. So then we get 1/3 log of 2 x plus 1. Could you combine this? Yes. So what we're going to get, and then we'll put the power. So we get log 2, 1/3 is going to be here, x squared plus x. So that's the most condensed we can possibly get. If you look at the book, they don't multiply here, but you can. It won't change the answer. Okay, last part is application. So slope with log is going to be using values on a coordinate plane and then having them turn into this. So we need to know that ln of y is equal to m times ln of x. Okay? That is that slope of a line. This is turning logarithmic functions into linear. Okay? This equation right here. Okay? Now, book example, they give us x and y, and we need to make a function of it. Notice it kind of has this exponential. So what we do is we plug in these values for ln of x, and we make a new table. So you make a new table. Okay? So if you notice they have the table and exponential. They make a new table with ln of x and ln of y. Okay, and then they take 2 points along this line and they find the slope of it. Okay, slope of the line. And that gives us this, and that gives us this, and our conclusion is therefore this equation right here. Okay? That is that the line that goes through this point is actually ln of y equals 3/2 ln of x. Okay. So that is our final answer. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. That is all for today. We'll meet in class to discuss the questions and give you some more practice. Okay? Bye.